Make a project on eclipses and submit it within 2 days. My teacher assigned to make a project on eclipses. So come on, let's make it together. Hi everyone, welcome to the Jenisha the Explorer channel. Hope you are all doing great. So today I'm going to do a model on eclipses. You can use this model for school projects and other purposes. This model requires basic materials that are easily found in homes. This is the roll for tissue papers. This is the plastic ball which I have painted like the earth. This is the white ball which shows the moon. And this is the rectangular paper. I have created a hole in the center and attached the cutouts of the phases of the moon around. This is the new moon. This is the waxing crescent. This is the first quarter half moon. This is the waxing gibbous. This is the full moon. This is the waning gibbous, the last quarter half moon, and this is the waning crescent. I also use the head of the torchlight to represent the sun. Like this. So come on, let's start building the model. So first, take a small rectangular piece of paper and attach the white ball that represents the moon with the glue. At the other end, make a hole a bit larger than the diameter of the roll, like this. And then place it around the roll. Like this. Now take the bigger faces of the moon rectangle and also place it around the roll. Like this. So now our earth as well as moon model is ready. Now let's make the sun. So this is the sun. To make the sun look more elastic, I took a black paper, painted the rays of the sun and created a hole so that the light of the torchlight shines through the hole. And this is how I made the sun. And this is how it will be. Like this. So now all the models are ready. Now let's set it like the eclipse. Now take the ball that represents the earth and place it on top of the roll, like this. Now our models are ready. During the eclipses, the sun, moon and earth always comes in the straight line. So I have taken a few boxes and adjusted the moon and earth model in such a way that they all come in a straight line, like this. So now that since the model is ready, let's turn off the lights and I will explain them. We are all set to explain the eclipses. As you know, eclipses are of two types, solar eclipse and lunar eclipse. So first, let's understand the solar eclipse. During solar eclipses, the sun, moon and earth comes in a straight line with the moon in between the earth and the sun. The moon blocks the sunlight from reaching a portion of the earth, and people living in this region cannot see the sun. If the moon blocks the sun partially, then it is called a partial solar eclipse. And if the moon blocks the sun completely, then it is known as the total solar eclipse. A solar eclipse always occurs on a new moon day. Solar eclipses can last as short as a few minutes or as long as a few hours. During a solar eclipse, we must never look at the sun directly or else it might damage our eyes. So now let's understand the lunar eclipse. In a lunar eclipse, the sun, earth and moon come in a straight line with the earth between the sun and the moon. The earth prevents the sunlight from reaching the moon and hence casts a shadow on the moon. The people living in this side of earth cannot see the moon because it is not receiving any sunlight. If the earth blocks only a part of the sun, then it is a partial lunar eclipse, and if the earth blocks the sun completely, then it is a total lunar eclipse. Lunar eclipse lasts as long as the moon is in the earth's shadow. They always occur on a full moon day. As soon as the moon moves out of earth's shadow, it shines brightly once more. My model is ready to be submitted. So I hope you liked this video on how to make a simple project on eclipses. If you like this video, then do like, share and comment, and like always, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye.